Hello, good evening, friends. Hope all is well with you. I am sharing something. You know, hard work is the key of success. So don't be ashamed to admit yourself that you don't know something, or you did not good at something, or you are not where you expected. Yours these things and look for a shortcut. Look for a shortcut to steal something, or take a sneaky, tricky, cheating, or creepy way out that your future self not be proud of you. I'm not referring to the any instructor, coach, guide, anymore anybody else. I want to say that even at your education journey and whatever you are currently pursuing, you are currently doing, pursuing your personal growth, don't look for the easy way. Look for the way that is right. Look for the way that demands hard work because that could be good. You may not completely agree with my thoughts and tool of thoughts, and that's fine because we are all built in our past experiences. But what I am learned from my experience is that everything that I have today, be it my education, be it my career, be it my physical health, or be it my mental health, or just in general, has not come easy. It is very, very need a hard work, and it is only come through the honest hard work. Like I have put in the hard work day and day out. I sweated buckets. I have trained my mind. I have thought through things. I have learned a lot of things. And it took me lots longer that people's expected too. But I am still here. And I am really very happy where I am. Because none of these is temporary. None of these is built of hollow ground. I know this is here for me forever. My education is forever. My career is going to be forever. And that's because I started working on it with absolutely honest hard work. Cheating your way to success will always make you imposter. Imposter is a person riddled with anxiety because he or she has no faith in his work set, in his skill set. If you put in the honest hard work into anything, it could be learning skill at work, or it could be helping your cutting out or work. It could be your job, for example. If you put on your honest work, you will be rewarded, and you will be rewarded in such a way that you cannot imagine because there is a high power. I am not saying it's God, but I am telling that there is a high power, and there is a Newtonian principle around us. That kind of what goes around comes back around, and I am fully believe on it. I am not going through any spiritual talk here, but yeah, I am trying to tell you is that put at the hard work. It is not difficult. It is not very difficult. Just to be honest, right? If you don't know something, all up to like I don't know how to do this, then let me read a book. Let me listen a broadcast. Let me watch a video. Let me learn more. Let me get better. But I want to put in the hard work. And then, if and only if this is possible, that hard work is the key of success. It is not difficult, dear friends. If you think the hard work is not difficult, then and only then you can do everything. You know, every great person have a critical situation in his or her life, and after that he become a diamond because he is going through the hard work. He is going through the very critical situation. Then and only then he is a diamond. So keep motivated yourself and doing hard work.